candlelight dinner on the rooftop of a fancy restaurant, a long drive on the highway, or an escapade on a private jet to a luxury resort. There are countless ways to make it special for your significant other. But when you're on a 24-hour work schedule and time itself is a luxury, you need to be a little more creative on planning that perfect date. Here's what an ideal date is like for some of the top media executives in the country. Check it out.
These days we are hardly getting any time because she comes by the time I reach home, we just eat and go to sleep, and the next morning we are away. But yes, when we are free on a Sunday, then I love watching movies, or we'll go out and we watch movies back to back. Means if we are going to a cinema hall or a PVR, we'll take 3-4 tickets, we'll say, okay, we come out, see this, watch this, watch this. By the time we come back, we are that sort of craziness. We have our films also, we love watching films. Otherwise, we among ourselves together, we play cards also sometime at night. You can say it's a daily date.
We are a very undate couple, so we find it very, I don't know, uncomfortable to call our outings date. We'd usually go out, chill out, go try some experiment with food, go out places where we could get some great bargains. In Delhi, we used to usually land up going to Chor Bazaar, or land up in Amar Colony for used furniture, or we'll go to Purani Delhi, get in the by lanes, try some kebabs, etc. Try some hidden gems in terms of restaurants. That used to be fun. Here we'd usually land up going to Bhendi Bazaar. That's one of our favorite ones. I reckon my wife hates me for that, but I'm a hoarder and I love buying a lot of junk. And places like this, I mean, my wife is more of a reserved person. I'm more of an extrovert, extremely high on energy kind of a person. So I land up doing all these stuff, and I suspect secretly she also loves. That's, I guess, is our typical undate date.
I think in an ideal date, the most important thing is conversations. So no matter where the date is, or either it's a dinner or it's a drive, the most important thing, what makes a fun date, is a good conversation and connecting with the person. We would do the normal, usual stuff of dinner and movies, and then we also used to have these long drives because I would stay in the suburbs and he used to stay in Colaba, so he would come to either drop me back home. So all those were good, fun times. The initial days are always a lot more fun because there's so much of excitement of the unknown and getting to know the person. So that was all fun.
We like going out for dinner as anyone else would, and other than that, really, so we're both very water and beach people. Because we have young kids, most of the time we end up staying at home, and we both like watching a lot of television content, etc. So we're very happy. It sounds very boring, but honestly our ideal night is spend time with the kids until they go to bed, and she has a glass of wine, I have a glass of whiskey, and we watch Game of Thrones or something. That for us is an ideal date.
For more weekly updates on Exec Living, subscribe to our channel and log on to IndianTelevision.com's Exec Lifestyle.